Think you've seen every kitchen gadget out there? Think again. These clever Amazon finds take cooking, cleaning, and organizing to a whole new level, making everyday tasks faster, easier, and a lot more fun. You won't believe some of these even exist. All product links are waiting for you in the description below. Turn your meal prep into a breeze with this electric slicer and shredder. It shoots freshly sliced veggies, fruits, or cheese right where you want them. No bowls or mess to clean up. Perfect for salads, tacos, pizzas, and more. It swaps between slicing and shredding cones in seconds. Quick, efficient, and easy to use. It's a compact kitchen tool that saves both time and effort. Add some flair to your home bar with this sleek revolving liquor dispenser. It holds 3 bottles and rotates smoothly, letting you pour with precision using its leak-proof push and pour design. Made of durable stainless steel with a weighted base, it's as sturdy as it is stylish. Perfect for parties, entertaining guests, or just upgrading your home drink setup with a professional touch. Cooking just got a whole lot smarter. This all-in-one food processor handles mixing, blending, chopping, and more, all controlled right from your phone. It's powerful enough for professional kitchens, but simple enough for everyday meals at home. The sturdy aluminum body gives it lasting durability, and the large bowl means you can prep big batches at once. It's your personal sous chef, ready for any recipe, anywhere. Tired of food scraps clogging your sink? This clever strainer with mesh bags catches every bit of waste before it slips down the drain. It sticks firmly in the corner with a strong suction cup and folds away when not in use, saving precious space. You can also use it to rinse fruits or veggies. Cleanup's easy. Just remove the bag, toss it, and you're done. Meet your new personal chef. This automatic cooking machine takes care of the stirring, heating, and timing. All you do is add the ingredients. With preset modes for frying, steaming, stewing, and baking, it handles everything from soups to full meals. The 360-degree rotating pot ensures even cooking, while the non-stick surface makes cleanup effortless. It's the smarter, faster way to cook without breaking a sweat. Turn kitchen scraps into something useful with this smart electric composter. It dries and breaks down food waste into natural fertilizer within hours. No smell, no mess. The LED display lets you choose from different modes, while the automatic cleaning feature keeps maintenance effortless. With strong blades and odor-absorbing filters, it's the perfect eco-friendly upgrade for any modern kitchen or small home garden. Take your drinks up a notch with this easy ice ball maker. It creates perfectly round ice spheres that melt slowly, keeping your whiskey or cocktails chilled without watering them down. The built-in funnel lid makes filling simple and mess-free, while tiny vents prevent cracks or leaks. Made of flexible silicone, it pops the ice out effortlessly every time. Smooth, solid, and freezer-friendly. Doing the dishes just got easier. This clever brush dispenses soap with a simple push, giving you instant suds right where you need them. The durable nylon bristles cut through grease without scratching pots or pans. When you're done, place it on the drip tray to keep your counter clean and dry. Plus, the replaceable brush heads make it an eco-friendly choice that lasts. Rain or shine, you can still grill your favorite meals indoors. This electric grill and griddle combo gives you juicy steaks, sizzling veggies, and golden pancakes all on one surface. It heats evenly up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, so every bite cooks to perfection. No cold spots, no guessing. The non-stick plates pop out for quick cleaning, and the low smoke design keeps your kitchen fresh and splatter-free. Say goodbye to messy grating and sore fingers. This 5-in-1 rotary cheese grater lets you shred, slice, and chop everything from cheese and veggies to nuts and chocolate just by turning the handle. The suction base keeps it stable while you work, so it never slips or wobbles. 5 interchangeable stainless steel blades handle any texture you need. When you're done, everything rinses clean in seconds. Making snack time easier just got real. This grape cutter slices grapes, cherry tomatoes, or strawberries into 4 perfect pieces in one quick press. The semi-enclosed design keeps fruit from rolling away, and the spring-loaded handle resets instantly for the next cut. It's sharp, safe, and dishwasher-friendly, perfect for prepping toddler snacks or colorful salads in seconds. Small tool, big convenience. Level up your kitchen game with this 3-in-1 electric pressure cooker. Designed with 3 separate ceramic inner pots, it lets you cook multiple dishes at once, perfect for rice, soups, and hot pot meals. The even heat distribution and non-stick glazed surface make cooking and cleanup effortless. Whether you're meal prepping or hosting dinner, this compact multitasker brings convenience and versatility to your countertop. Coffee lovers, this one's for you. This portable espresso maker lets you brew barista-level coffee anywhere, at work, in your car, or on a hike. It's self-heating, USB rechargeable, and compatible with both ground coffee and capsules. With 20 bars of pressure, you'll get that rich, creamy crema every time. Just press one button and enjoy a perfect espresso on the go. No cords, no fuss, just pure coffee bliss. Say goodbye to messy pickle jars with this clever hourglass-style container. It separates brine from your pickles or olives. Just flip it to drain, then flip back to soak again. The airtight seal keeps everything fresh, while the non-slip base ensures stability. Made of durable, BPA-free glass and silicone, it's easy to clean, leak-proof, and perfect for keeping your favorite snacks crisp and flavorful. Say goodbye to messy fridge shelves. This automatic drink organizer keeps your cans and bottles perfectly lined up and ready to grab. When you take one from the front, the rest slide forward automatically. No more digging through the back for a cold one. The adjustable rows fit different drink sizes easily, and the sturdy design stands up to moisture. It's the easiest way to keep your fridge neat and stocked. Enjoy crispy, golden meals with this large-capacity automatic air fryer. Its integrated design makes frying, roasting, and reheating effortless, all without excess oil. With even heat circulation, your food turns out perfectly crunchy on the outside and tender inside. Ideal for quick family meals or solo snacks, this sleek fryer combines convenience, flavor, and healthier cooking in one smart, easy-to-use appliance. Hosting a get-together? This 360-degree beverage dispenser keeps everyone happy with 3 separate drink chambers for tea, juice, or milk, all in one rotating base. Each section has its own spigot, so no mixing flavors. The clear design lets you see what's inside, and the included coasters and labels keep things tidy and organized. It's compact, easy to clean, and turns your fridge into a mini drink station. Rain or shine, the barbecue goes on. This smokeless electric grill lets you enjoy perfect sear marks indoors without any mess or smoke. The non-stick surface cooks up to 6 servings at once, steak, veggies, or fish, all evenly grilled to perfection. The adjustable temperature control keeps you in charge, while the tempered glass lid locks in flavor. When you're done, just pop the parts in the dishwasher for easy cleanup. If you love homemade bread or pizza, this electric dough maker does the hard work for you. It kneads, mixes, and even ferments your dough all automatically. Just set the timer, and it stops when it's done. The powerful motor handles thick dough with ease, while the transparent lid lets you watch the magic happen. Big enough for family batches, it's your new shortcut to perfect baking. Perfect for travelers, this foldable electric kettle lets you enjoy hot water anywhere. It collapses flat to fit in your bag, then pops open when you need it. Just press one button and it boils water in minutes for tea, coffee, or instant meals. The dual voltage design works worldwide, and the silicone body stays cool to the touch. Compact, quick, and ready for every trip. Breakfast just got a major upgrade. This smart toaster uses a touchscreen so you can choose exactly how golden you want your toast. Each slot works independently, meaning everyone gets their perfect slice, crispy, soft, or somewhere in between. It even remembers your preferences for next time. The sleek stainless steel design and automatic lift make every morning smoother, cleaner, and a little more high-tech. Bring the barbecue anywhere you go, without the smoke. This clever charcoal grill lets you hang up to 20 skewers at once, cooking them evenly in minutes. Its double stainless steel body keeps heat steady while saving charcoal, so every bite comes out juicy and flavorful. The smart airflow system cuts down on smoke, making it great for indoors too. Portable, easy to clean, and built for every kind of cookout. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.